Welcome back to the channel. We have a little bit of a change of plans. We are going to do the graphics kit for the bike before we head down to C3. Just because I have a couple of days before I head down there and it would be the perfect time to fit it in. So what we're going to do is I have some aftermarket fairings for the bike, and I have some of the old graphics that were on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of those, put those into Illustrator, I'm going to trace all the lines and then make my own graphics kit. So what we're going to do is we'll take all of that. I have a vinyl cutter and we're going to use that to build and generate all of the graphics for the bike. Stay tuned. All right, we finished up about the last 6 hours of drawing up the graphics package for the bike. The next steps is going to be taking all of those graphic pieces and splitting them up so that I can cut them on the Cricut, because I only have access to one color for my vinyl cutter. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take all of those pieces, we're going to stack them on top of each other to kind of get the final look for the entire graphics package. So we're going to take all of that stuff now, we're going to throw it into the Cricut and get it all cut up. After about an hour and a half of cutting, we now have all of the graphics put into the vinyl. Now I need to go through and de-weed everything and then follow my graphic template to get all of those graphic layouts onto the fairings. After about 6 hours last night of cutting graphics and putting them all on all the fairings, I'm about ready to get everything on the bike and get it off to the next stage over at C3 and Yeti. So what we're going to do, we're also going to do the rad guards. So I have some aftermarket rad guards that we're going to throw on this thing. Those also come from Ryan at Air Force Velocity Stacks. And we're going to get this thing prepped for the next stage. there it is. All the fairings are now on there, all the graphics. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. The next episode we'll be heading down to BC with the guys at C3 and Yeti, and I'm super stoked to keep this project rolling. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. Makes a big difference to all the videos and everything that I'm doing. Take care. See you on the next one.